What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Sabi's Delights. This is a home of delicious meal. Suppose you're clicking this video for the first time. I'm Sabi, Chef Sabi. Welcome back to yet another amazing video. On this video, I want to show you how I make my donuts. And on this particular video, we're going to make coconut donut glazed with coconut powder. It's your first time on this channel. If you like this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. I need your support, guys, and I'm pleading again. You can share this video with anybody, your friends, your family, your colleagues, your kids. Just do it for me to support my channel. And these donuts, I forgot to tell you, these donuts are yummy and super soft inside. So without taking too much time, let's get started. And watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step. It's very important if you want to try this recipe. In my mixing bowl, I'll mix all my ingredients. That is all-purpose flour, 5 cups, sifted already, 2 tablespoons dry instant yeast, a quarter cup of sugar, but you can add more, coconut cream powder. Mix them together, mix them well before introducing salt. Then add in your salt. This is a quarter teaspoon. Mix and make a well. Crack in your egg. And give it a good mix. I'll add in my milk gradually. That is 1 cup of warm milk. I will also use water. So in total, I will use 1.5 cup liquid. It's good to add your milk gradually so that you don't end up with a sticky dough. I will just give it a good mix until it forms a dough. Now I will go in with my hands to give it a good knead. Add in your margarine and give it a good knead until all the margarine dissolves. Mix well. Thank you so much for my new subscribers and returning subscribers. I don't take you for granted. We are 300 plus. Thank you so much. I will transfer my dough in a flat surface and I will knead it for like 10 minutes. Give it a good knead until it becomes stretchy and soft. At this point, remember not to add some flour. I hope you've seen I applied some oil here for my dough not to stick on the mat. So if you want to know if your dough is ready, just pinch a little of it and stretch it a bit and you will see it's kind of elastic and it doesn't tear off. That means your dough is well kneaded. So I will transfer it in a mixing bowl again. Grease it with some oil. And place your dough in a greased bowl and cover with a cling film and let it rest for 1 hour or until the dough doubles the size. Cover again with a kitchen towel and set aside. 1 hour has elapsed and my dough has doubled the size. I'll give it a little punch to release the air bubbles. Transfer in a flat surface and just shape it a little bit. And here we are going to cut our dough into small pieces to form the dough of donuts. I'm not going to use a rolling pin. So if you have a weighing machine, you can use it here, but for me, I'll just eyeball. I'm just eyeballing until I get the right size. This dough will give me 13 pieces, medium size of donut. Just press it down and tuck it in. Here we are making a round shape. You can roll it with your palm like that until you have that perfect ball round shape like this. Then put it aside. Just check on how I'm doing it. You can either roll it on the flat surface or you can use your palm. So we will continue with this until all the dough are formed into a ball. Now here is how I make my shape. I'll just put it in some flour and make sure you dust the flour. I'm not going to use rolling pin, so this is how I'm doing mine. Press it a little with your fingers, just like that. I will use this scraper to flatten my dough into a beautiful circle. You can use anything you have to press it down, just like that. We have a beautiful shape, and I will use a nozzle to remove the center piece. Then I'll place it in a parchment paper and transfer it in my tray. I will continue with this until all the dough is done. So just check on it how I'm doing it. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Give me a thumbs up. And if you are new in my video and you find this kind of content helpful, kindly consider subscribing and press the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to get notified, and share the video with your friends. Thank you. Watch the video up to the end. So we are done. We are done with the molding, and I will cover my donuts with a kitchen towel and it will rest for 30 minutes. Guys, kindly let me know if you're going to try this recipe. This is a simple recipe with local ingredients. Anybody can do it. The dough is ready for frying. In a stove, I'll place my pan and we are going to fry these donuts in a medium flame, and also my oil should not be very hot to enable the donut to cook well inside. Like you can see, it's not very hot. So just drop your donuts carefully. You can just drop it with that parchment paper and remove it. Let the dough fry until the other side is brown. Then flip it over and let the other side to cook to a golden brown. My donuts first batch is ready and it turns out so beautiful. Wow, look at the color. It's so amazing and appetizing. Beautiful. And it smells heavenly here. So we'll continue with this until all the donuts are fried. Guys, I hope at this point you've given me a thumbs up and make sure to share this video. I hope this video go viral and bring me more subscribers. It's quite discouraging and I was almost quitting YouTube. Actually, just give me some moral support so that I can stay. I almost quit just 2 weeks ago. If you remember, I didn't post anything like a week. It's quite discouraging sharing here recipes and the people are not even giving you support. Keep me here, guys. Help me support my channel. All I'm asking for is your subscription and thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you for supporting my channel. For those who have subscribed, for my new subscribers, feel welcome. Here I share the videos with detail and I explain everything step by step. Our donut is ready. Look at it. And it's very, very soft. You can see the picture is not lying. So we are going to make our coconut glaze. I'm going to use icing sugar, coconut powder cream, and some vanilla essence and a little water. Then I whisk until it forms some paste. Then place your donut there. Coat it with some coconut cream powder. If you have coconut flakes is the best. I didn't have it. And there we have our coconut donut glazed with coconut powder. So yummy. Thank you for watching this video up to this time. I don't take it for granted. You've taken your time and your bundles to be with me. I appreciate you. I will be glad to know if you try this recipe out. Kindly let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I'm enjoying mine with tea. I've listed the ingredient in the description box, so don't forget to check it out for the exact measurement. The donuts are yummy and the coconut glazed one is heavenly. It was nice having you around and may you all have a blessed week ahead. I will see you in my next. Bye bye.